In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell consoles on eBay. Whether you're clearing out your old game stash or just turning your gaming habit into a little side income, selling consoles online can be a smart choice. We're going to break this process down into 4 straightforward steps to ensure that you not only make a sale, but also get the best price possible. Let's dive into the first step, prepping your console. Before we even think about listing, it's crucial to ensure your console is in its best possible condition. Start by wiping it clean both inside and out. If you can safely clean the interior, it's worth doing to remove dust that may have accumulated over the years. Next, you want to test it, switch it on, load a game, and double check that all ports and functionalities are in good working order. If you happen to be selling an Xbox, PlayStation, or Nintendo Switch, performing a factory reset is vital. This ensures that all your personal data is wiped clean and the new owner feels like they're getting a fresh start. Gather all extras like controllers, cables, and if you have them, the original box and manual. These additional items can enhance the perceived value significantly. With your console prepped, let's move on to the second step, researching sold listings or comps for comparable items on eBay. Begin by searching for your console model, say a PS5 digital edition, then go into the filters and under show only select sold items. This gives you a list of items like yours that have actually sold, which provides a clearer picture of what buyers are willing to pay. Take note of the price ranges and the condition of those sold items, whether they're new, used or for parts, as well as whether they're bundled or just the console alone. Use this data to set a competitive yet fair price for your own listing. Once your pricing is strategized, it's time for the third step, creating a high quality listing. Navigate to eBay's selling section and choose list an item. It's important to create a compelling title, for example, Sony PlayStation 5, digital console, fully working, fast shipping. Upload between 6 and 12 clear photos. Capturing shots from the front, back and sides, including accessories, the serial number, and proof that the device powers on, all contribute to a trustworthy listing. When detailing the condition, complete honesty is key. Clearly mention the working status, any noticeable flaws and what's included. For shipping, opt for tracked shipping and consider insuring any items valued over $200. Offering returns is optional, but it can increase buyer confidence. Finally, let's discuss step 4, shipping safely after a sale. Package your console securely, wrap it in bubble wrap, and if possible, double box it with padding added inside. Using trusted carriers like USPS, UPS or FedEx ensures better handling. Once shipped, add tracking information to eBay as soon as possible. If you're dealing with high value items, consider a signature confirmation upon delivery for peace of mind. A pro tip here, offering free shipping might improve your listing's appeal, but do factor that cost into your price. By following these steps, you're well on your way to successfully selling your console on eBay, maximizing your return, and ensuring a smooth process from start to finish. Happy selling!